Had some questions on the soundbar mounting. After I relocated the television to above the door on the 29.3 Ace. There's the entry door. So I mounted the TV over here and put a soundbar above it. The TV is mounted on two flat bars, two pieces of flat bar, which shows in the TV relocation video. Use the same principle on the sound bar. Just put a flat piece of flat bar behind the sound bar in two places, one here and one here. I think it was 1.5 inch flat bar. Cut it longer so it stuck down about 1.5 inches below the sound bar. I had to drill holes in the flat bar so I could screw it into the standard mounts on the back of the sound bar, and then drill the hole in the tab that hangs down so I could run a screw through it into this trim piece I put up here that runs all the way across, and a screw over here into this flat bar. So that's what holds this up here. It's very secure, doesn't jiggle or give me any trouble. Then once I got done with that, I cut a piece of trim and put it over the flat bar, and it covered the gap I had in the middle here to run the wires down from the sound bar down to the television. I'll see if I can get up in there and show you. That might be hard. You can see that trim piece starts about there and runs over to about there. Anyway, that's how I did the sound bar in the living area. This is the TV, sound bar, and VCR combination in the bedroom. I'll try and get down here and see if I can show you these brackets. It's probably going to be pretty difficult to see. But I started with a 3/4 inch thick 1x3, I think it was, and I mounted that to the bottom of the cabinet. To do that, I had to go up in the cabinet, up top, up in here, take the bottom panel loose, pull it up, put blocking down for the screws to mount this to, and some blocking in there. So when I ran the screws up for this piece, it attached to that piece up there and made it secure. Did that on both sides. Then I took a 2x2 piece of aluminum angle. It runs like this, 90-degree aluminum angle. That's one piece. And then another piece like that. Overlapped them to make this Z channel. Did the same on the other side. 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch. That made an adjustable slot. I could move that 2 inch up and down to adjust for the thickness of the DVD player. And I moved the DVD player out enough here, probably about 4 inches, to create a shelf for the sound bar, which I just used double-sided tape, 3M tape down here, and taped the sound bar right to this. Ran the wiring through the rear and up into the upper cabinet. But that's basically it. There wasn't a lot of magic to this one.